Okay, so just a quick test here to see how long the GoPro will record for when it is on 1% battery. So what I've just done, I've just waited until the battery level tipped to 1% and then gone straight into record. I know this might be a bit of a mad thing to do, and I don't know how useful it is going to be to other people, but nonetheless, I'm doing it anyway, just as a matter of interest. So I don't know, I might have entitled the video something like, how much time can you record on a GoPro with only 1% battery, or something like that. Anyways, the length of this video will be the length of how long you get with only just the last 1% on your GoPro. I mean, the thing with this, it might actually be useful, because if you're in a scenario where you've only got 1% left, you might want to know, how far you can get with that. Now I'm in 5.3K 25 frames per second, and I've also got the stabilizer set to like its normal stabilizer and stuff like that. So with those settings, it should give you an idea of how long I'm going to get on that last 1%. And this is obviously that new higher capacity battery that you get as standard with the Hero 11 as well. So maybe 1% on this battery means a lot more than 1% on the previous batteries, because anytime I did anything on the previous batteries where it was like draining right down to getting to low, even before it got to 1%, it would basically just switch off and just like, cut the take, even though it still was registering a little bit of power.